Alright guys, today I'll be dropping the tutorial video on how to disappear. Please, after watching, what I need you to do for me is please follow me and share the video, okay, so that other people too can learn from it. Thank you.
Okay, first you go to Capcut. Now you wait a little bit. You go to new project. Yeah, okay, it will load. Now these are your new project, the video you shot. Now you tap on them. Now you come to add. Okay, now it will show like this. Okay, now you push forward to that point where you started running out of whatever, anywhere you're coming out from. Okay, now you split. You split. Okay, now you remove this part that is not wanted. Now you push it forward a little bit. Okay, you push it forward until that point I run out of the camera. Okay, you split again. All right, and remove. Now you come and remove, delete. Now you come to the second clip. Now at that point I started running again. To continue with the last clip, now you split again and delete. Okay, and delete. All right, you should have something like this, right? Good. Now you push it to that point where I run out of the camera again. You press it, split again, and delete. All right, now this is the third clip. Now you push it to the point where I entered the camera. Okay, can you see? Now you split again. All right, and delete this part that is not wanted. Now you should get something like this. So now the moment I relax on the wall, you split again. All right, you push it to the point where I left the camera. Make sure my shadow is not showing. Make sure your shadow is not showing. Okay, you split and remove again. All right, so you should get something like this. Watch. So you should get something like this, right? Okay, next, come to this middle now. Press it. Now it will take you to overlay. Now press mix. All right, and add it. Now you should get something like this, right? Press effect. This effect. Now go to body effect. Okay, press the body effect. Now push it to this stroke. Okay, now you push it down a little bit. Push it down. Now I will choose this luminous marker. So you should get something like this at the end of the day. Now after exporting it down here, now you push it a little bit to the front. Okay, so you should get something like this. Can you see? You are making magic already. So that is how it's being done. Now after everything, now come to this effect. Now press on it. Now reduce it. On this one you cannot split, so you reduce, you push it. All right, now you go to the video himself. All right, now you split and delete. Time to add your disappearing sound. Okay, now go to sounds. All right, now go to this search now and impute disappearing sound or disappear sound. Okay, now you will see the ones they will bring out. So try the first one and see. Okay, this one is better now. So you put it. Okay, now you put it. Now push it to that point where I'm about to disappear. Okay, and see what happened. Position it very well. Okay, that's what you get. And you should have something like this. So you should have something like this. Okay, you should have something like this. Can you see it now? You should have something like this.